Good morning, good morning, good morning, everyone. Today is on the 13th of August. We did an analysis here previously. We were looking for buys above 24.25 as aggressive buys and as safe buys around 24.29 over there, 24.30 over there. And we got both of them, right? Even if you took an aggressive buy yesterday, yes. Even if you took an aggressive buy, here was the stop loss. It still could not have been touched. Even if you took a safe buy, still again, stop loss was here and it could not still be touched. So either way, everybody won on this trade, right? This was a full win trade. Congratulations to everybody that took this trade. That's massive profit over there. And as you can see, the market still continued after we hit take profit 3 over here. We were anticipating for take profit 4 right over there. And then the next one over there, right? And you see we hit all of them, 4 and 5 respectively, all of them, and then the market started retracing a bit. Okay, so that was a wonderful analysis. Congratulations again to everybody that won that trade. Now let's look for today. What do we have this wonderful day? What do we have in terms of fundamentals? What do we have today? Is on 13th over here. We have the GBP climate count coming at 9 a.m. He's actually right about now. He's already out actually. So in the evening, we'll be having 3:30. We'll be having the core PPI. Awesome. The PPI is gonna move. This is gonna move the market. And then I think tomorrow, that's when we have the CPI tomorrow. Yes. So today we have the PPI. And this is gonna move the market, of course, at 3:30. So be careful about that. Tomorrow, we're going to be having some NZD movement, crazy movement on NZD, but at 5 a.m. in the morning. CPI in the evening, again, 3:30, shall be on to trade that. AUD unemployment change, again, at 4:30 on Thursday. GDP on the GBP at 9 a.m. on Thursday. Then on Thursday, the same Thursday, we have the USD core retail sales and employment claims and retail sales. It's monthly reports will be coming out on Thursday. Friday, we're going to be having the RBA government, Bullock speaking, and then we'll be having the GBP retail sales as well. All right, good. So having covered that, today we have the PPI, so 3:30. Be very watchful because that can move the market crazily. Let's see what we have now in terms of technicals. Again, our candle has already spiked, already flipped again. Our monthly candle has flipped, pushed down to this point for retracement, then was unable to break the low, and now it's back, flipping back. So should we break the high of this previous monthly candle, then definitely we're going to be making a new high. And you know what that means? That means money, making a new high, right? All right, let's see. So that's where we are. We have the monthly resistance up over there, monthly support down over here. Just gonna quickly name them. Monthly resistance, monthly support. Over there, weekly, we go down. Price action based on the market structure. So we're gonna use support and resistance just to identify the breakouts. Okay. Here we have weekly. I'm gonna put it just below. Oh, anyway, you know what? We're gonna move it as we go. Weekly support over here. For the weekly resistance is still at the monthly resistance over there. Same thing. All right. Okay, so this is what I wanted to do previously. Sorry. Just move it over there. We're on daily. Now, daily, we have this area over here that has formed, and this is now, it was previously a resistance, now it's a support. So we have daily support over here. Daily support coming in over here. All right. We go down to something we call week 4 hours. 4 hours. H4. We have a formation over here that has just formed. Is a formation of a resistance now. Formation of a resistance, so H4 resistance over there. And the lows probably coming at the same area, but let's see when you go down a bit to, yes, something like 1 hour, we have a formation of a resist support over here. So just gonna adjust that there. We have a support over here. We also have this one. You cannot ignore this one as well. This is basically the H4 one now. This is basically the H4. H4 support. This one is H1 support. Then we have over here another H1 resistance. You see the way those candles are behaving over there? Yes, H1 resistance over there. That's crazy. That's good. Right, so that's where we are right now. Very, very important that we keep an eye on the same 30 minutes. Just do this like that, 30 minutes. It's gonna be good. Now, here's the catch now. We can't really pick the trade over here. This is gonna be aggressive. So I'm gonna put a break above that point. This is gonna be the safe buy entries. If you wanna do the buys, these are going to be safe buys over here. Potential safe buys above that area, 24.60, 68, 24.68, above that point. But should you want to do, if you feel a bit risky, or if you trust yourself, well, you could do potential aggressive sales over here. Potential aggressive buys above this area over here, which is around 24.65. 24.65 area. This one depends fully on you now. This is not on me. This is on you. If you feel like you want to get into the market a bit earlier, you can do that. Pray that we have enough volumes to break just above this point so that we can go up about this area. But should we do that, then that's going to be a very nice move since we're going to have something like that. We're going to have a stop loss somewhere around that area over there. And then we're going to have to hit these highs over here. Okay. Should we break above that point, then we're going to go to the next one over here. So we have here ourselves, we have a TP1 and TP2 over here. Okay. All right. Now on the sell side, we're around that place over there. Of course, potential sales will be below this point. It's going to be below 24.58, 24.58 over there. TP1, TP2, and TP3. Right, so over there, should we break? We're gonna have TP1 over here, TP2 over there, TP3 as we go down to TP4, ultimately down over there. Should we have that thing moving? So remember, we have the PPI, and PPI could move either the market up or move the market down with a large move. So keep an eye on that. Be very careful on what you're doing. Remember, the news will be coming, and the news don't really respect the fundamental, the technicals. Okay, what we've done right now is purely technical. All right. So if news comes in and brings in fundamental effects, that we haven't done any analysis on. All right. So the thing is, it tends to respect the technical, but sometimes it doesn't. All right. The good thing is we have potential sales and potential buys. So the news can only move the market either up or down. So eventually you ought to be ready mentally that the market could either move up or move down, depending with the number that comes out on the PPI. All right. So keep an eye on that. Be very careful. Risk manage well. Do not risk more than you can afford. Okay. Then trade what you see and not what you think. All right. We meet up tomorrow. We do this review And happy hunting today's, happy trading, and make sure you keep up some profit, all right? Don't come off the market with no profit today, all right? When you get some profit, lock them, risk manage, okay? Bye-bye, guys, and have a good one.